Oh no no no! Do not give me hope. Do not. You only hope here. Please, my please. What happened? What happened? My flash is not working properly. Oh, please. Do not give me hand. Work properly. Work. What happened? What happened? My phone. I do not know what happened last couple of days. What happened? Why my display is not working? Suddenly, what happened to you? Still do not understand. Why my touch screen is not working? I still do not have another phone. What a worst life. Oh, I do not have money to buy another phone. What it is? 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 Subscribe.